How to schedule recurring transfers in Regions Bank. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to automate your transfer between accounts, well here is how to schedule recurring transfers in Regions Bank. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here once inside, you can just click on the search bar and simply search for Regions Bank. And now here on the search result, just click on the first link and after that you will be prompted to the official website of the Regions Bank. Now here simply log in using your credentials and once logged in on the main dashboard you can click transfers and then select between my accounts. And after that you simply have to enter the amount and select the account to transfer from and the account to transfer to, and there under frequency you can choose how often you want the transfer to repeat, like daily, weekly, bi-weekly or monthly. So there you can pick the start date and if needed an end date for the recurring transfer, and there you can review all the details and after that you can simply click submit or confirm transfers to schedule it. And that's it. That's how you can schedule recurring transfers in Regions Bank. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.